free. Deliver na ang aking drawer. Vanity. Yay! We made it! Thanks to the team. Paolo Lala. Ayan na. It's here! So this is it, guys. Ta-da! So I literally just woke up, guys. Tapos alas 10 na, and I was like, OMG, de-deliver na pala yung aking vanity. But when I went out, amazing na nagda-deliver na ang Lazada on Sunday. So we're gonna open this out. So buksan natin ito first. So nag-disinfect na ito sa labas. Sa labas yung cutter. So I'm just gonna use the scissors I have here with me. But this is a part of my gadget haul. Ta-da! This is it! Got two of these. Anchor 2-in-1 battery chargers. Battery and wall charger. I am really amazed by this. That's why I got two for myself and para kay la mama. Kasi this is a power bank and a wall adapter charger in one. So although 5,000 lang yung kanyang charging capacity as a power bank, it actually can charge 50% in 30 minutes. And it has both the Type-C port and the USB-A port. Yay! So happy! The other parts of my Anchor order hindi pa na-deliver. Ito yung nauna. Pero yeah. For the next package, the well-rated products na Lazada. We have purchased this a bunch of times na, but right now I'm purchasing it. Ano ba bilis na naman? Para ilagan check out. So, na-love ko to guys. Ang alam nyo guys, ako, hindi ko lang naman sa ako. Hindi niya. It's very package. Maganda yung box ng last video eh. Ta-da! OMG, parang gusto ko tuloy ng puti. The Tiaso vacuum insulated mug. Ang ganda ng puti, guys. Very. I have a black of this. Gusto ko tuloy bumili ko. Ito na naman tayo. Ang pangit lang ng packaging to give. Ang pangit. Mas maganda pa yung packaging previous ko. Let's say this I ordered from different sellers, so it matters talaga. So, ganda yung pagkapack ng dati sa'yo. Since I am here on my desk, I'm going to try this one out. So, I'll open this up. So, this is how it looks like. Pag open mo, and at the other side, ta-da! So, ito yung user manual. It comes with a nice pouch. So, para siyang MacBook charger. But then you just slip this out and you can immediately charge. Oh, so dyan makikita kung ilan yung charge niya. Umiilaw siya. Paikot. So, right now, we are gonna charge via USB-A lang kasi hindi pa dumating yung aking USB outlet. So ngayon, if we plug that in, the power bank is charging on its own. Pero if I plug this in, it's going to charge my phone. Kasi hindi siya like tightly, parang may air. Oh, may air. I think this is going to be a very busy day. By the way, this is like my baby fan. I ordered this from Lazada din. And I'm gonna show you na lang how it arrived and how I was so excited to open this baby. It came in this box. Super laki, diba? Nakaka-excite, grabe. I love this babe. And I've been using this ever since. Super aesthetic, super white, super pretty. And it's super nice kasi first time kong gumamit ng circulating fan. And it's really amazing kasi talagang it circulates it within my room. Ang liit lang ng room. So, yeah. So, itong aking shoe organizer over here. I might make lipat muna dito sa kabilang side. Nang sa gayon, I can maximize the space for now since di pa naman dumating yung trolley na plan ko ilagay doon. Hindi kasi aesthetic, guys. Aesthetic? It's the aestheticity for me. Okay lang naman, pero beside the vanity, it's not ideal. Hi guys! A little update. I've been cleaning up ever since this baby arrived. So, medyo nilagay ko na yung iba inside. But, my room is still a mess. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with my coffee today. Tinamad ako mag-brew, so I was just using the Nescafe Extra Forte. I put condensed milk, and now I'm gonna try to put this all-purpose cream. Usually they froth it, pero try ko ilagay na diretso. Ilagyan ko na rin ito ng collagen. Let's do it to it. So, I was still fixing a little bit. I'm sorry guys kung ito na talaga ang look ko today. And I'm still wearing the same thing since this morning. But we're sweating the entire day. So, para saan pat maligo at mapawisan. Anyway, still drinking my coffee. And now, naghahanap na ng merienda ang pamilya. So, I'm gonna make pasta because I'm the only one who makes pasta in this household. I'll bring you guys with me. Pakita ko sa inyo how I make alio-alio lang naman. So, it's super easy. So, ito na yung spaghetti na gamitin natin. And I'm currently boiling the water, waiting for it to boil bago ilagay yung spag. And then, I prepared the ingredients already. We have a bunch of garlic. Tapos, these are all the remaining sun-dried tomatoes na sinilice ko lang. I'm using the Molinera sun-dried tomatoes. I ordered this by Lazada kasi wala siya sa mga groceries here. Pero, I sliced it lang para thinner ang slices. And then, I prepared black pepper. Actually, ginawa ko, tinanggal ko na lang siya ahead of time para ilalagay ko na lang siya when I cook. And we have Himalayan salt, tapos Parmesan cheese, and we will be needing olive oil. This one. Extra virgin olive oil. Tapos this time, gusto ko i-scoop out kasi usually, minimeasure ko lang, tansya-tansya lang, pero ngayon gusto ko malaman how much ba talaga nilalagay ko para mag-get yung flavor na gusto ko. So, yeah. So, we put 4 tablespoons dito. Pina-twisting mo. Just need to stir this. So, check. Lahat ng garlic. Now that it's simmering yummy, so it's good. Nag-add din ako ng butter. And this is almost cooked. The sun-dried tomatoes na. Parsley. 1 teaspoon of parsley. Naglagay ako ng pasta water at hinaan ko yung heat. I save another cup of pasta water and then drain it. One teaspoon lang ng pepper. We will add the pasta water again. 1 teaspoon. Tama na to, guys. I'm super yagit na guys, pero my battery died, but we're done cooking. The finished product. I just put truffle oil, parmesan. Yummy. Yummy. Kain tayo. Look how pretty. So pretty. Yummy aglio olio pasta with sun-dried tomatoes. Taste test at our new...
Thank you.
Wala ba ganito yun? Recording.
Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog.
Hi guys.
My vlog.
Ano
guys.
Ano masasabi mo sa pasta?
Ang pasta ay medyo creamy, oily. Maybe 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Ah,
Okay.
ito si Lalang, oh. Ayan si Lalang. So, hi
The
guys.
finished product.
Hi guys! Tapos na ako maligo and tadaan! I'm still so happy na andyan na yung aking vanity. Although, ang gulo-gulo pa rin ang room ko. Medyo naibsan naman ng onte. Medyo nakalinis-linis naman ng onte. But I'm just gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope I'll see you in the next coming vlogs. I hope I'll be able to edit this ASAP. Well, wala pa akong work para ma-upload ko na agad kasi mag-goodbye na naman itong mga clips na to. But by the way, it's a Sunday so Annika's here!
Hello!
Say hi to the vlog!
Hello YouTube!
Subscribe to Princess Annika.
Yes.
I really appreciate that you're still watching this video, lalo na if you have been a viewer of mine for the longest time. Thank you so much for watching and waiting for my new vlog kasi ang tagal na ng last. Don't forget to comment down below if you watched this video and don't forget to click like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! I have to do this walk today. I finally made it! Paramount Coffee! The wait is here. My first try from Choice Mart grocery. Floating shelves are done!